Picture this, a vast, silent expanse of space where stars burn fiercely against the infinite dark, and our sun, a radiant beacon, guides its planetary flock through the cosmic dance. Suddenly, a stranger arrives, an interstellar visitor streaking across the heavens at a blistering 58 kilometers per second, its reddish glow cutting through the void like a celestial firebrand. This is no ordinary comet. This is 3I/ATLAS, the third interstellar object ever detected in our solar system, discovered by the ATLAS Observatory Network on August 25th, 2025. Name: 3 for third, I for interstellar, ATLAS for its watchful discoverers, heralds a phenomenon that's as rare as it is mesmerizing. Unlike its predecessors, this cosmic wanderer is weaving a path so perfectly aligned with the ecliptic plane, the invisible highway where our planets orbit, that it's poised to ripple through our solar system like a stone dropped into a still pond. Buckle up, because this is a story of cosmic collisions, electromagnetic symphonies, and the tantalizing possibility of consciousness woven into the fabric of the universe. By the end of this journey, you'll be itching to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures, because this is a tale you won't want to miss. Let's set the stage. The solar system is a bustling neighborhood with planets, moons, and asteroids all orbiting the sun in a delicate balance. But every so often, an outsider crashes the party. In 2017, Oumuamua zipped through, a cigar-shaped enigma that sparked wild speculation about alien probes. In 2019, Comet Borisov followed, a more traditional comet with a dusty tail. Now, in 2025, 3I/ATLAS takes the spotlight, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Moving at a staggering 58 kilometers per second, faster than any spacecraft we've ever built, it's set to hit 68 kilometers per second at its closest approach to the sun, or perihelion, in late October 2025. That speed alone tells us it's not from around here. Objects born in our solar system, even those from the distant Oort cloud, don't move this fast. 3I/ATLAS hails from beyond, likely ejected from a distant star system millions, perhaps billions of years ago. Imagine it, a rocky, icy body no larger than 5.6 kilometers across, wrapped in a glowing coma twice the size of Earth, drifting through the galaxy, collecting stardust and secrets before fate steered it toward us. What makes 3I/ATLAS so extraordinary is its trajectory. Unlike Oumuamua and Borisov, which slice through our solar system at steep angles, 3I/ATLAS glides almost perfectly along the ecliptic plane. This alignment means it will linger in the sun's electromagnetic embrace, interacting with the solar wind and the heliosphere, the sun's protective bubble, for months. It's like a guest who doesn't just pass through your house, but stays for dinner, rearranges the furniture, and leaves a lasting impression. On October 1st, 2025, it will skim past Mars, coming closer than most comets dare. By March and April 2026, it will flirt with Jupiter, grazing the giant planet's orbit. And on October 22nd, 2025, it will align with the Sun and Earth in a rare superior conjunction, a cosmic lineup that could amplify its influence. This isn't just a flyby, it's a grand tour, and the solar system is about to feel the effects. To understand why 3I/ATLAS is such a big deal, we need to dive into the invisible forces that govern our solar system. The sun isn't just a ball of fire, it's a dynamic powerhouse, pumping out solar wind, a stream of charged particles that forms the heliosphere. This solar wind creates a current sheet, a wavy, ballerina skirt-like structure that dances along the ecliptic plane. Most comets like Oumuamua cut through this sheet briefly, like a needle-piercing fabric, but 3I/ATLAS, it's practically waltzing with the current sheet, staying in step for an extended performance. This prolonged interaction could supercharge solar activity, from dazzling auroras to powerful solar flares, especially as we approach the peak of solar cycle 25 in 2025. Let's rewind to 2017 for a moment. Oumuamua's perihelion on September 9th, 2017 coincided with a jaw-dropping surge in solar activity. Despite being in the waning phase of solar cycle 24, one of the weakest cycles in a century, the sun unleashed a barrage of X-class flares, the most powerful kind, including double-digit monsters that lit up the western limb of the sun. These flares weren't random, they peaked as Oumuamua passed within Mercury's orbit, suggesting a cosmic connection. Now, 3I/ATLAS 3I/ATLAS is poised to do something similar, but on a grander scale. Its reddish, dusty coma, captured in stunning detail by the Hubble and Gemini telescopes, is a complex plasma envelope, a swirling mix of gas, dust, and ionized particles. This plasma, twice the diameter of Earth, acts like a cosmic antenna, interacting with the sun's magnetic field and potentially triggering a solar spectacle from October through November 2025. Why does this matter? Plasma isn't just a buzzword, it's the fourth state of matter, making up 99.9% of the visible universe. When solar radiation hits 3I/ATLAS, it sublimates ice into gas, which ionizes into plasma under the sun's intense X-ray and ultraviolet barrage. This creates a complex dusty plasma, where tiny dust particles become charged, forming double layers and crystalline structures that behave almost like living systems. These structures can store and transmit energy, resonating with the solar system's electromagnetic circuit. As 3I/ATLAS approaches the sun, its coma will grow, its plasma will intensify, and its influence will amplify, potentially sparking solar flares and geomagnetic storms. If Oumuamua's brief visit caused a solar uproar, imagine what 3I/ATLAS, with its prolonged stay, could unleash. Want to know how this might affect Earth? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Now, let's venture into the speculative but utterly fascinating. Could 3I/ATLAS be more than just a rock? The internet is abuzz with whispers of alien probes, and while the chances of little green men popping out are slim, there's a deeper question. Could this interstellar visitor carry a form of cosmic consciousness? General resonance theory suggests that consciousness arises from vibration and resonance, and plasma, with its dynamic, lifelike properties, might be a perfect medium. Picture 3I/ATLAS as a galactic messenger, its plasma coma infused with the energy and information of countless stars, collected over eons. As it sweeps through our solar system, it's not just interacting with the sun's magnetic field, it's potentially resonating with the consciousness of our planets, our sun, and even us. This isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. Solar activity, like the flares triggered by Oumuamua, doesn't just light up the sky, it influences Earth's magnetic field, which some researchers believe can affect human consciousness. During solar maximum, when X-ray and ultraviolet fluxes spike, people report heightened intuition, vivid dreams, and even societal shifts. With 3I/ATLAS arriving during solar cycle 25's peak, its passage could amplify these effects, infusing our collective consciousness with interstellar codes, vibrations from beyond our solar system. Imagine a surge in creativity, spiritual awakenings, or a renewed curiosity about our place in the cosmos. Whether it's alien tech or a natural phenomenon, 3I/ATLAS is a catalyst stirring the pot of human potential. What do you think? Could this comet be a cosmic wake-up call? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's zoom in on 3I/ATLAS's itinerary. On October 1st, 2025, it will make its closest approach to Mars, passing just above the red planet's orbit. This isn't a casual flyby, it's a near miss that could perturb Mars's thin atmosphere and magnetic field. The MAVEN spacecraft orbiting Mars would be perfectly positioned to study this interaction, capturing data on how 3I/ATLAS's plasma coma affects the planet. By March and April 2026, 3I/ATLAS will swing past Jupiter, another close encounter that could ripple through the gas giant's massive magnetosphere. The Juno spacecraft, still operational as of August 2025, could offer a front-row seat to this cosmic rendezvous, revealing how an interstellar object influences a planetary giant. But the real showstopper is October 22nd, 2025, when 3I/ATLAS aligns with the Sun and Earth in a rare superior conjunction. From our perspective, it will be hidden behind the sun, but the planetary geometry is extraordinary. Earth, Mercury, and Mars will form a near-perfect alignment, while Venus creates a near square with the trio. This configuration, combined with 3I/ATLAS's position, could amplify solar activity, much like Oumuamua did in 2017. The sun, already primed by solar cycle 25, might respond with a flurry of flares, coronal mass ejections, or even a geomagnetic storm that paints Earth's skies with auroras. If you're an aurora chaser, mark your calendar. This could be a once-in-a-lifetime show. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated as we track this cosmic event. Let's peel back another layer of this cosmic onion. The plasma coma of 3I/ATLAS isn't just a pretty light show, it's a scientific goldmine. When the sun's radiation, X-rays, ultraviolet, and extreme ultraviolet hits this comet, it triggers a cascade of physical processes. Ice sublimates into gas, which ionizes into plasma, creating a dynamic envelope that interacts with the solar wind. This interaction can generate electric currents, magnetic disturbances, and even localized shockwaves in the heliosphere. In 2017, Oumuamua's passage showed us how a comet's plasma can act as a catalyst, amplifying solar activity far beyond what we'd expect in a quiet solar cycle. With 3I/ATLAS's prolonged stay in the ecliptic plane, scientists predict a similar but more intense effect. The comet's dusty plasma could induce currents in the heliospheric current sheet, potentially triggering solar flares or coronal mass ejections that ripple across the solar system. For researchers, this is like a natural laboratory, offering a rare chance to study plasma dynamics in real time. If you're a science nerd, share your favorite space experiment in the comments. Let's geek out together. Beyond the science, 3I/ATLAS is a unifying moment for humanity. Across the globe, people are looking up, wondering what this interstellar visitor means for us. Amateur astronomers are training their telescopes, hoping to catch a glimpse of its reddish glow. Social media is buzzing with theories, from the plausible to the fantastical, as communities share their excitement and curiosity. This comet isn't just a scientific event, it's a cultural phenomenon, reminding us of our shared place in the cosmos. In a world often divided, 3I/ATLAS offers a chance to connect, over a shared sense of awe, over questions about our origins, and over the thrill of the unknown. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, the night sky is a universal canvas, and 3I/ATLAS is painting a story we can all share. Got a telescope? Tell us in the comments if you're planning to spot this cosmic traveler. Let's take a step back and consider the broader tapestry of time. The arrival of 3I/ATLAS isn't just a fleeting event, it's a chapter in a story that stretches across eons. Interstellar objects like this one have likely visited our solar system countless times, long before humans had telescopes or even eyes to see them. Imagine a comet like 3I/ATLAS passing through millions of years ago, its plasma coma sparking solar flares that bathed Earth in auroras, visible to early hominids or even dinosaurs. Could such events have left traces in our planet's geological record, perhaps in the form of isotopic anomalies or magnetized rock layers? Some researchers suggest that past interstellar visitors might have influenced Earth's climate or magnetic field, subtly shaping the course of evolution. The myths of ancient cultures, filled with tales of fiery skies and celestial omens, might even echo these cosmic encounters. For instance, the Sumerians spoke of celestial messengers, and indigenous star stories often describe visitors from the heavens. As 3I/ATLAS streaks through in 2025, it's tempting to wonder if it's carrying a similar legacy, one that might inspire new myths or awaken dormant memories in our collective psyche. If you're fascinated by ancient mysteries, share your favorite myth or legend in the comments. Let's see if it connects to the stars. The arrival of 3I/ATLAS isn't just a spectacle for skywatchers, it's a call to action for the scientific community. As of August 25th, 2025, observatories worldwide are redirecting their lenses, from the Hubble Space Telescope's high-resolution imaging to the Gemini Observatory's spectroscopic analysis, which reveals the comet's chemical makeup. But the real prize lies in the potential for in-situ observations. The MAVEN spacecraft at Mars and Juno at Jupiter are uniquely positioned to study 3I/ATLAS as it passes, offering data on how its plasma coma interacts with planetary magnetic fields. Imagine the insights we could gain, details about its composition, its electromagnetic effects, and perhaps even clues about its origins in a distant star system. There's talk among space agencies about redirecting these probes for closer observations. Though time is tight, such a mission would be a bold move, echoing humanity's drive to explore the unknown. Beyond spacecraft, ground-based efforts are ramping up, with amateur and professional astronomers collaborating to track 3I/ATLAS's path. Citizen science platforms are buzzing, inviting enthusiasts to contribute data or analyze images. This is science at its most inclusive, a global effort to decode a cosmic puzzle. If you're part of an astronomy club or have access to a telescope, join the hunt and share your findings in the comments. Your observations could make a difference. Beyond the data and the dazzle, 3I/ATLAS is igniting something intangible, our imagination. This interstellar visitor is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a spark that lights up our dreams, our art, and our stories. Across the globe, artists are sketching its reddish glow, musicians are composing odes to its journey, and writers are weaving tales of cosmic travelers. Social media platforms like X are alive with discussions, from serious debates about plasma physics to playful memes about alien hitchhikers. This comet is a muse, inspiring us to ask big questions. Are we alone? What lies beyond our solar system? How do we fit into the grand cosmic puzzle? Its passage reminds us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. For some, it's a call to meditate under the stars, seeking personal revelations. For others, it's a reason to gather friends for a stargazing party, sharing stories and theories under the night sky. As 3IATLAS nears its perihelion, it's uniting us in a shared sense of wonder, urging us to look beyond our daily lives and embrace the infinite. What's your cosmic dream? Drop it in the comments and let's inspire each other as this celestial saga unfolds. 3 interstellar objects in less than a decade: Oumuamua, Borisov, and now 3I/ATLAS. Is this a coincidence, or are we witnessing a cosmic trend? Our detection technology has improved dramatically, with observatories like ATLAS scanning the skies with unprecedented precision. But could there be a larger force at play? Some astronomers speculate that a wave of interstellar objects might be passing through our region of the galaxy, perhaps remnants of a distant stellar nursery. Others wonder if these visitors have been coming for millennia, their imprints hidden in Earth's geological and cultural records. Could past interstellar flybys have sparked ancient myths, technological leaps, or shifts in human consciousness? The question lingers: how often do these cosmic wanderers visit? Geological evidence, like anomalous sediment layers or isotopic signatures, might hold clues, but our modern era is the first to catch these objects in action. 3I/ATLAS, with its unique ecliptic alignment and plasma dynamics, could be a key to unlocking these mysteries. Its passage might not just light up the sun, but also illuminate our understanding of the galaxy's interconnectedness. As it swings through, scientists are racing to gather data, from Hubble's crisp images to Gemini's spectral analysis. This is a rare opportunity, and the global astronomy community is all hands on deck. Want to join the conversation? Drop a comment with your theories about these interstellar visitors. As 3I/ATLAS sweeps through our solar system, its influence could extend far beyond the realm of astronomy, touching the very fabric of life on Earth. The comet's interaction with the heliospheric current sheet and the sun's magnetic field may trigger geomagnetic storms, which don't just create stunning auroras, but can also disrupt modern technology. Satellites could experience communication glitches, GPS systems might wobble, and power grids in high-latitude regions could face temporary outages, as seen during past solar storms like the 1989 Quebec blackout. But the effects might be more subtle too. Some studies suggest that geomagnetic disturbances can influence human health, from increased stress levels to disrupted sleep patterns, as our bodies respond to shifts in Earth's magnetic field. Beyond the physical, there's a cultural ripple. The arrival of 3IATLAS is sparking global conversations about our place in the universe. From classroom discussions to late-night debates on platforms like X, communities are organizing stargazing events, scientists are publishing real-time updates, and educators are seizing this moment to inspire the next generation of explorers. This comet is a reminder that the cosmos isn't just out there. It's intimately connected to our lives, our technology, and our dreams. Have you ever experienced a solar storm's effects, like an aurora or a power flicker? Share your story in the comments, and let's connect over this cosmic phenomenon. The journey of 3I/ATLAS is more than a scientific spectacle. It's a philosophical gateway, inviting us to ponder the mysteries of existence. What stories does this comet carry from its eons-long voyage through the galaxy? Could its plasma coma, pulsating with the vibrations of distant stars, hold clues to the origins of life itself? Some scientists hypothesize that comets, including interstellar ones, may have seeded Earth with organic molecules billions of years ago, laying the groundwork for life. 3I/ATLAS, with its unique composition, could offer new insights into this cosmic chemistry, especially if MAVEN or Juno captures data on its volatile gases. But beyond the science, there's a profound sense of connection. This comet, born in a distant star system, is a tangible link to the unknown, a piece piece of another world passing through ours. It challenges us to expand our horizons, to imagine civilizations or ecosystems light years away, and to question whether consciousness, as general resonance theory suggests, is a universal property woven into the fabric of plasma and matter. As 3I/ATLAS dances through our solar system, it's not just a visitor, it's a messenger, urging us to embrace the unknown with curiosity and courage. What questions does this comet spark for you? Drop them in the comments, and let's explore the mysteries together. Long after 3I/ATLAS exits our solar system, its legacy will endure, etched in scientific records, cultural narratives, and human imagination. The data collected during its passage by Hubble, Gemini, Maven, Juno, and countless ground-based telescopes will fuel decades of research, deepening our understanding of interstellar objects and their role in galactic evolution. Its electromagnetic interactions could refine our models of solar activity, helping us predict and mitigate future space weather events. Culturally, 3I/ATLAS is already inspiring a wave of creativity, from documentaries and novels to virtual reality experiences that let users ride alongside the comet. Schools are incorporating its story into curricula, sparking interest in STEM and astronomy among young minds. And on a deeper level, its passage is a moment of collective reflection, reminding us that we are part of a vast, interconnected universe. Whether it's through a newfound passion for stargazing, a surge in spiritual exploration, or a renewed commitment to space exploration, 3I/ATLAS is leaving an indelible mark. As it fades from view, it will carry with it the echoes of our curiosity, our awe, and our shared humanity. What legacy do you think 3I/ATLAS will leave for you personally? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep this cosmic conversation going. The arrival of 3I/ATLAS is not just a moment for individual wonder, but a rallying cry for global collaboration. As this interstellar visitor streaks through our solar system, it's bringing together scientists, engineers, and enthusiasts from every corner of the globe in a shared quest for knowledge. International space agencies, including NASA, ESA, and others, are coordinating efforts to maximize data collection, pooling resources to analyze the comet's composition, trajectory, and electromagnetic effects. Universities are launching joint research projects, with teams from different continents working together to model the comet's plasma interactions. Meanwhile, citizen science initiatives are thriving, with platforms like Zooniverse inviting people worldwide to classify telescope images or track 3I/ATLAS's path. This collaborative spirit extends beyond science. Cultural festivals are emerging, celebrating the comet with art exhibitions, music performances, and public lectures that bridge disciplines and borders. In an era where global challenges often dominate headlines, 3I/ATLAS is a reminder of what humanity can achieve when we unite for a common purpose. Whether you're contributing data, attending a star party, or simply sharing your excitement online, you're part of this global endeavor. How are you joining the 3I/ATLAS journey? Tell us in the comments, and let's celebrate this collective adventure. As 3I/ATLAS blazes its trail, it's doing more than sparking scientific curiosity. It's prompting us to redefine our identity as cosmic beings. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars, wondering about our place in the universe. Now, with an interstellar object passing so close, that question feels more urgent than ever. This comet, a relic of another star system, challenges us to think beyond Earth, beyond our solar system, and to consider ourselves as part of a galactic community. Its passage coincides with a surge in interest in space exploration, from planned missions to Mars and the Moon to discussions about interstellar travel. 3I/ATLAS is a wake-up call, urging us to invest in technologies that could one day send our own probes to distant stars, carrying our stories to other worlds. It's also a moment to reflect on our responsibilities, to protect our planet, to foster peace, and to approach the unknown with humility. As this comet weaves its way through our skies, it's inviting us to dream bigger, to imagine a future where humanity reaches out to the stars, not as conquerors, but as curious explorers. What does being a cosmic citizen mean to you? Share your vision in the comments, and let's shape the future together. As 3I/ATLAS approaches perihelion, the anticipation is palpable. From October to November 2025, expect a surge in solar activity that could dazzle skywatchers and challenge satellite operators. Auroras might paint the skies in places as far south as Florida or Spain. Power grids could face minor disruptions, as seen during past solar storms. But beyond the physical, there's a sense of wonder, a feeling that we're part of something bigger. Whether you're a scientist, a dreamer, or just curious, this is a moment to look up and marvel. Keep an eye on space weather forecasts. And if you're in a dark sky location, grab your camera for those auroras. Share your photos or predictions in the comments. We'd love to see them. This is a developing story, and the best is yet to come. As 3I/ATLAS weaves its way through our solar system, it's not just a scientific event, it's a cosmic narrative that connects us to the universe's grand tapestry. Will it spark a solar storm, ignite a wave of inspiration, or simply remind us how small yet connected we are? One thing's for sure, this interstellar visitor is leaving its mark. Hit that like button if you're excited for what's coming, subscribe to stay in the loop, and share this story with friends who love a good cosmic mystery. Let's ride this wave together and see where 3I/ATLAS takes us.